Hi guys, today I will show you how to remove buzzing and static noise from microphone. Open Start and type Troubleshoot. Open Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshoot. Click on Playing Audio. Click on Run the Troubleshoot. Wait for Troubleshoot to detect the problem. Now close the Troubleshoot.
If that didn't work,
Open Start and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Open Hardware and Sound. Open Sound. Open Recording tab, select your microphone. Click on Properties. Change the bitrate to CD or DVD until you start hearing sound. Press Apply and then OK.